Sir,
Okay,
can I
thank you.
present now?
Yes, sorry, man. I'll come to you. Okay. Thank you so much, Adyan. But however, I apologize that I had not started the recording immediately. If you see there is any important things happening, please remind me to start the recording first. Okay. Like if
Okay,
it's,
sir.
if it's any other feedbacks that doesn't have to be like normally recorded every time. Okay. But this important things it looks good for you to remember and see later on how you present it. Also, you'll understand, right? Isn't it or no? Like you can see later on your own presentation and
Yeah.
understand. Okay, now, okay, let's just go with Saliman for this time, but from next time, let's write it. Okay, Saliman has also written. Okay, let's
Sir, after
Saliman,
can I?
Yes, sir.
you along with who is your friend?
Satyam.
Okay, Satyam. Okay, let's
Sir,
start it.
sir,
Just
after
a
can
second.
I?
Okay, please write it in the chat box. I'll go serially according to that. For this time, I did Saliman, but from next time, please write it in the chat box. Okay,
Okay.
I will see accordingly to the chat box itself or in order. Okay, let's start it.
Now can I present?
Yes, you may begin.
Okay. Mm, can you see?
Yes, we can see it.
Now can I start?
Yeah.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. I am Sadiman.
I am Satyam.
We are going to do presentation on agricultural occupation.
Definition of agriculture occupation. Agriculture is defined as the science and art of cultivation on the soil, raising crops and rearing of livestock. Without agriculture activities, human life cannot exist. Moreover, agriculture is the backbone of our economy in this regard. Agriculture occupation holds a key significance in human life. Important.
Importance of agriculture. It is the biggest source of employment in the country. It is the biggest contributor to national income. It provides raw materials for some industries. Agriculture is the primary means of livelihood in Nepal.
Junior Technical Assistant JTA. JTA is a person that assists farmer in the agriculture activities. She or he provides information and advice related to various aspects of agriculture such as vegetable farming, fruit farming, animal husbandry, etc. JTA that is primarily involved in the treatment of domestic animals is also known as veterinary health worker. Yes.
Junior technical assistant. Junior technician. Junior technician is a medium level agriculture related occupation. They assist farmers on aspects of irrigation, insecticides and pesticides use, management of vegetables and crop seeds, etc. Educational and qualifications required by JTR. 1. Degree of proficiency certificate level botany or diploma. Minimum qualification of SLC or study in basic subject matter like food science, horticulture and vegetable farming of 3 years. ISC or diploma in agriculture science. 2. Proficiency level animal health or diploma. Minimum qualification SLC study of 3 years in animal or related subjects, ISC or diploma in animal science, proficiency and diploma in food and dairy. Technology minimum qualification of SLC basic subject training of milk production and processing of 3 years. SLC or diploma in food and dairy technology.
Junior Technician JT.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. I've been telling that like cameras should be turned on. If it is continuously turned off, then I will have to remove you from the meeting, and then you'll be marked as absent automatically. Okay, I don't have to even remember. There will be a different like data is coming. You can see on my screen. I've been telling you last time also. I can show you once again. Can you see right now immediately? I already know Bhavya must be of this section or not, but I have to see the attendance because sometimes if they enter.
For other section.
Okay, that because of few things, the some of the names have been here and there, which will be fixed immediately within next time, because I need to keep a backup of all this attendance when you came in, how many, how long you went out, all these things like that's what I've been telling. Attendance punctuality will be evaluated as well. Okay, because this thing.
But your breed is so different.
Yeah, it's different. Okay, it's different. So if I see that these things can be seen, if I see that like you're in out camera on off every time, then that day itself like I'll be removing you, because that's the first instance. Okay, not always. That will be removed, and plus notification to parents. Okay, it was because of this reason. Okay, now let's continue with the presentation. Okay, can you show your presentation, Iman? Okay, still I've been telling Ayan and Niharika, please turn it on.
Sir, my camera is not working.
Sir, can I listen?
Niharika, what happened?
Sir, I'm pretty sure Ian said that he would fix it by Saturday.
Sunday.
Okay, because like you don't know, like it for me, I feel so happy to see you all. Okay, if you turn it off, look, my camera is also on, and you turn it off, then I can't see you. I don't even know whom am I teaching, right? And this will be a drawback from virtual classes. Okay, I really don't need to see you. If you have virtual classes, physical class also, I can immediately know everyone immediately. It's not that I still don't know. Right now itself, I already remember from physical classes itself. Okay, so please turn it on. I feel really happy to see you on the camera. Okay, now next thing regarding Sadiman's presentation and Sadiman and Satyam's. Can you show that again on the screen? Just few suggestions we want to go with that quickly also, and plus some
Okay.
information. Okay, do you have any questions regarding the presentation? I told you to just continue on your own only if I happen to like automatic leave out because of technical problem. Okay, last week that happened because that the problem was occurring, so I told please continue automatically. Only if you see that the teacher has been logged out and the recording is going on, I will see the recording, because we don't want you to sit idle. Is that clear? But as long as I am there,
Yes,
so I'll start giving the suggestions immediately, because I don't, anytime it just goes sometimes. Okay, so looking at their presentation, I noticed one thing. It is very good that they have at least done their work. I really appreciate that very hard work. They have taken time to type from the book, because the book is right in front of me also, and I can see more or less it is almost similar. At least they learn to some extent rather than doing nothing at all. The people who don't do anything, they'll not learn. But I think they would learn even more if they wrote it in their own words. Because when you write it in your own words, then that's what you tend to get it.
understand.
Okay, so next time onwards, please write it in your own words. That will be more like given credit.
It basically proves that you have understood it and that you can summarize it yourself.
Yes, and right now the topic was to summarize, not keep it exactly as it is there. You had to summarize that.
It's not to explain, it's to summarize. Basically.
Yeah. Summary means I told around 40 to 50%. The content should be compressed by 40 to 50%. Means only the important things has to be kept there, and all unnecessary words have to be taken out. That's the meaning of summary. Last time also, I'm not only telling for the group, right? Last week I told you I couldn't tell because there was some technical problem maybe in your class time that I was unsure like what time it will be, electricity will be coming going. It went, then that's what I told to continue, because I logged in back from data itself immediately. Okay, if it goes, I will be back there, but I will log in from data immediately. So please work out on that summary. Summary means you have to make sure everything that's there has to be there, all the important things, and only the unnecessary words has to be taken out. The meaning, everything has to come. That's is what is meant by summary. Okay, that's however it was very good work. I really appreciated their hard work. Okay, any questions regarding occupation relating to agriculture?
No, sir.
So you
No, sir.
know the importance of agriculture. Like in case of agriculture, like 80, more than 80% of the people depend on agriculture. That's what we have been saying, and that's what is the biggest contributor of income in our country. And they have been providing raw materials for the country and biggest source of employment. Many people depend on agriculture, and that's what our book also has. Most of the things relating to agricultural occupation, because it's based on I told whole country, not just for the students of Kathmandu Valley or the people within the ring road, okay, or any city areas only. It's been written from the perspective of whole country. Is that clear? And you have to know, if you have to lead, then you have to know how the country is, isn't it? Okay, now so that's the importance of agriculture, and we had few occupations relating to agriculture, that is JTA and JT. So JTA was junior technical assistant and junior technician JT. Okay, that's what they presented. And however, I was only looking that you just summarize agriculture occupation and importance of agriculture. But if you have all already done even of education qualification, it's fine. You can present it for. Okay, now we'll have that activity based on junior technical assistant and JT or all those occupation relating to that occupation afterwards. Is that clear? So you just need to know mainly what is that occupation and what is that importance for now. Okay, now next group,
Sir, I did it individually.
you did it in the,
Individually.
okay, just present it. I cannot say you not to present at all, although the work was group work. Once your screen is there, I will give you the platform, okay, for some time. I prefer that you do it in the pair or group, okay, rather than doing alone. If your
Sir.
group members or team members are not there at all, then only you can do it, because you'll at least get credit than doing nothing at all. But group work, when I for group work means it is group work. When it's individual work, then individual. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Sodiman, do you have any question? Please read your work.
Sir,
If you have any
may I go to restaurant?
restaurant or restaurant.
Restaurant.
Restroom, I'm sorry.
Sodiman, it's almost just 8 minutes left only now.
Okay. Okay.
That's what I will, maybe at first of the class, I might start the class 1 minute late. It's not intentional, okay? It's because I started another class, was continuing on. That time would be the best time for you to go immediately and come. Okay, in the middle, if we keep on standing, there will be too much problem, okay? Okay, let's continue.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Rajesh Shutan, and today I'm going to be doing the presentation on medical. Introduction. Health is something which is really important in our life. Every person who wants to live, they need to follow a healthy lifestyle. We all need to be healthy, so we need the help of medical. Importance. The major importance of medical are: it is important for the better quality of human life and lifespan. It helps us to be safe from diseases. It helps us get medicines to cure diseases. It also teaches us about the precautions we have to take to be away from various health problems. Areas of medical. Medical sector covers a wide array of occupations from high level to primary level. Health and medical sector occupation can be classified into numerous sub-areas. The major ones are nursing, basic medical, pathology, Ayurvedic, pharmaceutical, homeopathy, natural health care. Nursing. Nursing is one of the major sub-areas of medical. Nursing is referred to occupation within healthcare sector. It is focused primarily on the care of individuals, family, etc., so that they can maintain good health of them. Nursing includes different parts associated with proper care and taking care of sick people. Example, they meet the patients to take their medicines on time, checking the temperature of the etc. Nursing is classified into two categories. Staff nurse. Staff nurse is registered nurse employed by a medical facility. The main work of the staff nurse is to take care of the patient and to manage the health of women who are pregnant and also take care of the child's health. Education, minimum qualification, grade 10, duration, 2 years of study plus 5 months training. ANM, the full form of ANM is Auxiliary Nurse Midwife. They are registered nurse graduates and their work is to take the management of women's
Ojashri,
health who are
can you repeat once again? Wait, okay.
Sir?
I want to mute everyone. Okay, Ossis, please mute yourself, Adyan. Only the people who are speaking, it's best that only they unmute themselves, okay? Others, let's mute. Ossis is still not been muted. What happened? Okay, Ojashri, you can continue. I'll talk to Ossis later on. Okay.
Their work is to take the management of women's health who are in their pregnancy and also the child's health. Education, minimum qualification, SLC, duration 3 years. Basic medical occupations. Basic medical occupations are important part of medical science. They are the major medical-based technical occupation. Example of basic medical occupation are AHW, Assistant Health Worker, CMA, Community Medicine Assistant, etc. The work of them is to provide basic level of medical treatment. They also visit houses and organize the program to make people take care of themselves. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So when we looked at our presentation, like although like Ojashri was supposed to do with Ayan and Susan. Ayan and Susan, what happened? Susan? Was it difficult for you guys to meet? Because if there's any problem, I have to help you out, okay? I have to do my best to see what could be the best way to make you work together. Although
Sir, I messaged Ian, but he just didn't reply.
I didn't hear Ojashri. What happened?
I like messaged Ian, but he didn't reply.
Okay, and you know, normally one thing like if there's any assignment group activity, during class time I told I cannot keep that full time because sometimes if electricity goes, then the plan goes in vain, because I might plan for group activity and then the electricity goes from my side, then I have to again go through another, again keep you all in the same room and work. Okay, that's why I have been trying my best not to keep group activities. And when we do group activities, some group are slow, some group are fast, and what happens is during your evening time, that's itself like an assignment, because that day you will see there are no other homeworks, written works, only project work normally. So that's why that's what you could just give out a time on that day. And immediately 4 o'clock on that evening I've been giving time. And why, like, you're not able to come there? Please try to give the time at that time. If you think that time you're having any tuition or anything, then what you can do is maybe talk to your partner what is the best time for you to sit together and just discuss on that.
Sir, we can make our Zoom meetings later. No?
With that remedial class, I think that's how you pronounce it.
Yes, we will.
With that class, I think I'll like till from 5 p.m. to which time do you plan to take it?
For now, I plan 5 to 6, normally starting from 5 and trying to finish it quickly. But mainly for those students who really need it. Okay? If it's very critical, I'll keep on following. But if you just see your name is just coming once or twice, I might not come after you. Mainly the students who are critical, I'll be
asking
following.
that because like I have a class at 6, so I will have to leave at 5:50. That class.
Okay, no, like if you've been doing your work very well, even if you sit for some time and then you just understand the things, then but you cannot just say me to tell your thing, because I'll be going serially in order. Okay, in such a way it will be going serially that the ones who have not done it will understand it. Okay, mainly remedial is for the ones who really need those, because either they missed the class, or either they have not been able to learn quickly, or they're not fast learner, or sometimes maybe that part was difficult for them. Sometimes everyone want to understand all the lessons easily. So that's the objective. Okay, so the presentation wise, please try to meet exactly on the day when it has been told, so that you will not have a problem saying that person came, that person didn't come. So that's why I told most of you to come at that time. But if both of you are fine with your own timing, as long as the work is there, I won't say anything. Okay, now after Ojaswi, next group. Not next group. Any question regarding our groups? Anything? Okay, no. So when I saw like the presentation, I compared with the book, because the main work of summary was to summarize what is in the book exactly for this topic. So I could see more or less, rather than summary, they have written in their own words. When I cross-checked, like the words were format were just at least changed. That is what I expect.
I
Okay.
had summarized it.
No. Looking at Ojaswi's for today, right now. Others I will tell afterwards again. I was just looking at this. I could see last time I didn't say so much, because like I was already understanding you have already done this presentation and summary. So today, like I wanted to just see exactly if it is summary or not, but still it was not so much summary, but it was in their own words. At least that shows good. It has to be in your own words, okay? As far as possible, make it in your own words. Don't do exactly as it's in the internet or it's in the book. That is known as like a plagiarism thing, and you'll not understand those things. But at least you type, and I told you'll at least learn something rather than doing nothing. Okay? If you don't do anything, you don't learn at all. At least if you type, you learn something. But if you even write that in your own words, that means you have understood most of the things out there. You will understand more. Okay, so that's it about the presentation of for the group. Any other groups left to present?
I guess everyone is done.
Okay, everyone is done. For I will be giving you activity assignment regarding research based on your own topic. Is that clear? So based on the same topic, you will be getting the research, and the topics will be written itself in the assignment. And if there is any confusion, you will, so that you can start planning on time. Is that clear? So first you did some research, and then now you did primary research. Now there will be few questions based on like collecting data of your topic. Okay, yeah, thank you so much.
All right, thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.